In this video, I'll show you how to insert Excel sheet in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this Word document and here I want to insert the Excel file or Excel table. So how to do that? Just put your text cursor to the place where you want to insert the table. Then go to Insert tab at the top. Here we need to click on Object and right here click on Create from File and just browse a file which you want to insert. It is in the desktop folder, so I'll select it, double click on the file and you can see it is selected. Click on OK and yeah, you can see the table is now right here. So if you want to resize it, you can just resize it by going to the corner of the table. So yeah, that's how you can insert the table. But in case if you want to insert the table as an icon, so in that case what you need to do, again click on Object, click on Create File, browse your file, double click on it and right here we need to check this box which is Display as Icon. Once you tick it, click on OK and yeah, you can see the table file is now appearing as an icon. And yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.